Hi there, Imran from Car Sound Secure in East London. We've just finished installing a StarLine S96 on this Mercedes E-Class Coupe 2018. So how the StarLine works is it's connected to your phone. You might get a bit of a sun glare because it's nice and sunny, but you can lock and unlock the car from the phone. It's got tracking on there. Any illegal entry, the alarm will go off, and also it will call you as well. So Rich is just there. I've got the tag here, so without the tag the alarm will go off if it's illegal entry. We've got it as we've taken it off hands-free for the demo video purpose. So I'm going to get Richard just to unlock it. He's got the keys there, and just enter the vehicle. Alarm is going off, as you can see. Shortly we'll get a phone call as well. There's a phone call. So if we just answer that, it will basically say, you might be able to hear it says door open. So now Richard's going to attempt to start the vehicle as well, because the tag's not, well, we haven't deactivated it with the tag, it won't start. So if I just press the tag now, he's just done it too early there. Right, okay, if you go to start it now, it starts up now. Okay, so no tag, no start. Can have the tag hands-free, or you can have it so it's push button. So what we'll do is it does total closure as well. So Rich is just going to drop the windows and turn the vehicle off and walk away. So engine's off. If I press it, windows go up, doors lock, windows fold in. So really popular alarm system we're doing at the moment on a lot of various vehicles, vans, new vehicles, old vehicles, etc. This system can go on most vehicles. So if you're interested in getting something like this done, or you'd like to find out a bit more, get in contact with us on the contact details after this video. Thanks for watching.